Hi, it's Brad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I teach wood bending, tool making. So this extra support for my hand was made from iron-on edge banding, and it's just layers of that. And then I wrap it with a wire and I put it in the oven and bake it, bring it out, do the finishing work, and then put it on the wrench. So this is just another little tool we made. Phillips bit, a wheel, string for color, a little extra grip, and a cork. So what we're doing today is we're following up. Well, let me finish this here. So also in the wood bending, when a tree is dry, when wood is dry, it's stiff. If you soak it in water, it'll become flexible. And that's exactly how we're bending the sticks. These were soaked for about 3-4 days now. And the other thing I'll point out is this is probably going to be the best stick to bend because it's got a lot of different grain. Each one is a separate year. This one's about 5 years and this one was 2 years old. I suspect this is going to be the best one. I suspect this is going to break and this will be marginal. I'll show you how. So the previous video showed us bending with the crochet hoops all in one go. And it was difficult because the camera is in front of me. I can do it pretty good without the camera. But in this case, we had one break we don't care much about. And we have 2 good ones, which we do care about, and I'll put them with our supply. We're going to use the basket to do the glue up as well. So instead of using the crochet hoop, you can indeed put it back in there an inch. And then I had mentioned it. Let's see, that one is breaking a little bit more. Oh, darn. Okay, I'll stop. That's going to happen, and I'm not worried. 1.5 inches. Okay. In the other video I showed, you got to put pressure here and then bring it on down. And instead of the crochet hoop, take some clamps of any shape and size and clamp it. So it was in there about 1.5 inches. And you put pressure right there at that spot. Okay. That was a bit of a fail. But see that? That's okay. That's the way some of these other ones are. But you did hear the big crack. That's okay. Because when we glue these all together, there's going to be a base. Okay? There's going to be, here we go, a base. This was a top to a candle, but when we glue this up, we're going to glue them all up together using the basket. And this will be gone, and then we'll dismantle it, and this will be the new base. It'll be glued in here, I'm thinking. So now, work in progress. So let me put this aside. So you see these baskets we've made. Those baskets have been made. The shapes come from these type metal baskets. I find a lot of them at Goodwill. And if you notice, see, I'm using the basket as the bending mold. I'm sticking the craft stick through there, through the wire, and then bringing it up and bending it and clamping it. Same with this one. See how So this craft stick was soaked quite a while. And then you can put pressure there and you can bring it up and clamp it. I'm going to steal this clamp because that one's done. Okay, and so when that's dry, and actually, see, I made a mistake. I put it up here. It should have been down there. Like that. There we go. So that'll give you an idea how we keep making the same shape over and over again. We also use the basket for the gluing process. So in this case, we've got some smaller craft sticks coming up. We'll make a whole bunch of those and then use the basket again to bend and clamp and glue. That one's a little different story. These are coffee stir sticks. Anyhow, if you soak the wood a couple days, the thicker the wood, the longer you have to soak it. But it's totally doable, bendable. And next we're going to get on to the gluing of this basket. Thanks. Bye.